So I'm sure those of you who watch elections have been paying attention to this ongoing legal dispute. It's not really a dispute, but in the for the North Carolina Supreme Court, where Jefferson Griffin, who is a North Carolina Court of Appeals judge, he's a bit of a partisan hack, to put it mildly, has lost in multiple recounts for the North Carolina Supreme Court to Allison Riggs. He lost initially, and he is just he can't accept that he's lost. So what he's trying to do is he's hired lawyers, conservative lawyers, and they have targeted about a 65,000 number swath of voters, and they've largely targeted voters who are black. That's what they want to try to throw at as many black votes as possible. And the reason for that is they're assuming that these are votes for the Democrat. So effectively what they're trying to do is disenfranchise many people, but especially black people who they think may have voted against them. Now, some Republican votes may get swept up in it, but they're thinking we get 65,000 thrown out, we're likely to swing the votes of the election in our favor. And people largely aren't even going to challenge it because they're not going to know, and it's just all these different issues. They have to, re-register. There's just a lot of technical stuff they have to do. I mean, all of this makes sense before the stuff came out about Jefferson Griffin dressed in a Confederate uniform and posing with his fraternity. And this was in like late 90s, early 2000s that he did this. This was not that long ago. He's younger than me. I'm 46. He's 44. I graduated from college in 2001. So it's probably late 90s, early 2000s that he's done this. I think it's safe to say he's racist. So he posed in a Confederate uniform. Now he's a Republican, and he's trying to get a lot of black votes thrown out. And he didn't win. And so he's trying to take the election. And the North Carolina Court of Appeals, who's very, very partisan, heavily Republican, has ruled in his favor. And now the case is going to be appealed to the North Carolina Supreme Court. There are a number of cases that are going up there related to this. And the judges, some of whom have contributed to his defense fund. So that's what you're getting. It's rigged. He's probably going to win in air quotes, because he's stolen it.